Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. Today we're exploring the Incogniton Antidetect browser and its wide range of functionalities. Let's get started. Incogniton is a popular anti-detection browser designed for managing multiple accounts efficiently. It boasts a comprehensive suite of automation features that enhance productivity across various fields, including arbitration, business management, e-commerce, and cryptocurrency transactions. The browser's multifunctional capabilities make it a versatile tool for a diverse professional needs. Key benefits of Incogniton include text input emulation for quick automatic form filling on websites, a generator that creates unique browser fingerprints to enhance privacy, automation of routine browser operations through Selenium. The ability to access browser's profiles from any user device enhances flexibility. Let's move on to the pricing plans. Incogniton offers 4 subscription plans, each tailored to different levels of functionality. The Starter Plus plan is priced at $19.99 and includes basic anti-detect functionality. It supports one user and allows the creation of up to 10 profiles. The Entrepreneur plan costs $29.99 and grants access to advanced features such as API automation, Synchronizer, premium support, cookie collector, and profile transfer. Designed for one user, this plan allows up to 50 browser profiles. Priced at $79.99, the Professional plan incorporates all features from the Entrepreneur package and expands support to up to 3 users, with a capacity for up to 150 browser profiles. The Custom package costs $149.99 and encompasses all the features of the previous plans, supporting up to 25 users and allowing for the creation of up to 5,000 profiles. This plan offers flexibility in selecting the required number of browser profiles and team member slots. A 30% discount is available on all plans when purchased for a 6-month period. Additionally, there is an opportunity to try Starter Plus plan free of charge for 2 months. Let's launch the browser and explore its interface. Upon starting, you'll land on the page that displays existing browser profiles. From here, you can create a new profile, perform a mass imports using a CSV text file, or upload a ready-made CSV or Excel file. To create a new profile, start by naming it and linking it to a group for easier management if needed. Then select an operating system from options like Windows, macOS, or Linux. Choose the Adra browser version and generate a random fingerprint by clicking the designated button. Quick settings are also available below, including webcam usage permissions and language selection for the device. Moving on to proxy settings. Add a server linked to the new profile and manage it, with detailed instructions available via an on-screen annotation. For time zone settings, either match it with the IP address or set it manually. In the WebRTC section, decide on the operational mode, using a fake setting, a real one based on the IP address, or disable it entirely. In the geolocation section, you have the option to enable or disable location display based on the IP address and manually adjust longitude, latitude, and accuracy for the digital fingerprint. Next, configure JavaScript settings by entering a custom user agent, setting the screen resolution, selecting a platform, enabling Do Not Track, and adjusting settings related to processor cores and RAM. Set the language for the digital fingerprint. In the Extensions section, add a new extension from the Google Store to a new profile or select one of the already downloaded ones. In Fonts, activate font substitution, customize the list, and enable Unicode character support. In the Media Devices section, enable or disable audio masking and configure the number of audio devices. Proceed to the Hardware section to configure Canvas, mask the audio context, and set up WebGL. In the DNS section, manually enter the DNS server IP that will be used in the profile. The Other section includes additional settings related to the browser's profile's operation, customizable based on user needs. Lastly, import cookie files in Netscape and JSON formats into the new browser profile. The created profile will appear in the list and you can edit it at any time to add more settings. Let's proceed with another available tabs. Starting with the Team Management tab, here you can add team members, create custom roles, and assign specific access and permissions. Please note this feature may not be available in all subscription plans. Moving on to account system settings. This is where you can activate or deactivate all profiles with just a click. Additionally, this section allows you to transfer profiles, configure cloud storage, adjust browser settings, and create templates for digital fingerprints. Next, in the automation section, you can set the port for connecting Incogniton to Selenium. This part of the settings also includes options for managing the application itself and creating local backups. Over in the Browser Management tab, you'll find the tools needed to add essential extensions and bookmarks. The Proxy Manager tab allows you to add a single proxy or import a list of proxies in a compatible format. Then there is the Synchronizer, a helpful tool that ensures the synchronization of profile management across different profiles, enhancing your workflow efficiency. Lastly, if you need assistance, the Help and Support section provides a wealth of resources. Here you can access frequently asked questions, read through detailed documentation, or reach out to the support team using the provided contact form. At the top of the interface, you'll find several useful features. There is a trash bin where deleted profiles are stored, and you can restore any profile within 7 days of its deletion. Additionally, there is a quick link to the browser's Telegram channel for easy access to community discussions and updates. You also have the option to toggle between day and night themes, enhancing visibility and comfort regardless of the time of day. Moving along, the Data Sync button is crucial for those working within a team, as it ensures all browser data is synchronized across various users. Lastly, the interface includes a Logout button, allowing you to securely exit your browser account whenever needed. Based on today's review, it's clear that the Incogniton Anti-Detection browser stands out as an excellent tool for managing multiple internet accounts. This makes it particularly valuable for marketers, social media managers, web scrapers, and testers. The browser enables the creation and management of a vast number of profiles while maintaining a high degree of anonymity online. Incogniton is suitable for both individual users and entire teams, offering a variety of plans to meet different needs. Moreover, those interested in exploring its basic functionalities can take advantage of the free subscription plan, making it accessible for users to test and evaluate its capabilities. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.